taken our belt sander and we've kind of rough sand this down to get a little bit of shape to it. So this is going to go in here like this. And we cut this piece off on here. So now I'm going to use this cutter and a couple of different sanding wheels to further shape this down. If you enjoy my videos, please like and subscribe on my YouTube page. I'd appreciate it. Got any questions or comments, put in my comment section. I'll get back with you. You can see how that sanded down more. We're getting it cut down. So we're going to get this sanded down to where it fits good, to where we want it to go. Just make me some reference lines where I want to put different things. I'll put some, probably add some teeth down here for this. So we'll keep working on this and then we'll come back with the next step. Thanks for watching.